Nano Babo Kabalen, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie.
My name is Marco Nanan of We're in Pampanga. We discover great places for you to check out.
For today's vlog, nandito tayo ngayon sa Friendship Highway, Angeles City, particularly Koreatown. And we're invited to come and check out itong bagong-bagong bukas na dining pub and family KTV.
Yes, so this is Bluemoon Dining Pub and Family KTV. Titingnan natin kung ano yung mga sinaserve nila and kung gaano kaganda yung lugar nila.
And just to give you a disclaimer guys, ang papasukan natin ngayon na lugar ngayon is very luxurious. Pero not to get intimidated, ang sarap naman pagkain nila dito. If you want to know more, samahan niyo po kami.
So tara, let's go!
Good afternoon. Alright, nice greeting. Hello. Ito yung table natin, so kasama natin si Mark later. And then that's our full-fledged bar. If you notice, yan, available yung mga liquors, alcohol, and then you have your huge projector screen. Notice guys, ayan, dami nating pagkain mamaya. Pero let's proceed with the tour first, no? Secluded tables, chairs for your pleasure. Impressed ako dito guys, tignan nyo. Look at that. Now, this place is intended for sports bar. Again, notice meron tayong mga darts board. We have a billiards table. So this is the first floor. Again, I'm really impressed how huge the place is. Just first floor pa lang na to, it can accommodate more than 60, I think so. So again, you're gonna be greeted with this huge lobby. Ang taas ng ceiling nila, di ba? Both ends of the ng hallway natin, you got your private room for, you know, party. So this is the second floor. Look at this. Everything is looking rustic. Good afternoon. Ayan, so ang second floor nila is intended for KTV rooms. So they have 13 KTV rooms built specifically for your needs. Say for example, this one, this is a huge room. Siguro it can accommodate 25. Room number 1 and room number 2 are for huge crowd. Look at this, di ba? This is room number 2, KTV room number 2. If you notice yan, ang laki ng lugar. It has 2 large LCD TVs. One here, and then one there. We're gonna try to sing. Siguro isang lang, chorus lang.
Chorus lang.
So yung room number 3 looks like this. A solo date with your special someone. You go to room number 4. Room number 6 is good for 8. I must say, I'm really impressed ang lalaki ng mga LCD screens. You really gotta check this out. Napakaganda ng design. Baba na tayo. Of course, check na natin yung mga pagkain dyan. Alright, so once again, this is Bluemoon Dining Pub. This is located sa my Friendship Highway, Angeles City. Napaka-accessible po niya kasi it's just along the, you know, Friendship Highway Road. Now, on our table, ayan. Although the place looks really parang intimidating, no? What they're trying to say is you can actually dine here that is very affordable and cheap. Not just, you know, a place for you to sing or chill. Kapag nagugutom kayo guys, pwede rin kayong pumunta dito. And that's what we're going to show to you kung ano yung mga sinaserve nila dito. Their menu is a mix of Korean, local dishes, and at the same time, meron tayong mga international food like for this one.
So ito yung meat lover platter. So meron siyang sausage, baby back, chicken wings, and corn. So syempre meron din silang mixed fry dito. So meron silang onion ring, shrimp, meron din sa mga dynamite. If ever alam nyo yun, meron din silang fries,
diba?
and cheese sticks.
There we go.
This one is chicken Thai burger. As usual, chicken Thai.
Chicken Thai.
This one is dongatsu cream pasta.
So, unang tingin pa lang. So, parang na-overflow yung cream niya, di ba?
Yes, okay.
And this one is salad pizza.
Salad pizza.
Just
Pure vegetable.
Yeah.
And this one is chopstick. Hawaiian kebab.
Hawaiian kebab.
Yes. Seafood tteokbokki. Chicken gangjeong. This one is sizzling sisig.
So, ito is Kapampangan sisig siya kasi wala siyang itlog. So, meron din tayong
This one is cake soup.
Fish cake soup.
Korean style.
So, parang ito yung mga Korean street food. Siyempre,
This one is herb samgyeopsal.
Herb samgyeopsal.
And this one is chicken salad.
And lastly, yung pong ano
Lastly,
natin.
Sichuan seafood kangkong.
So kasama
Hi, Mama
natin
Donna.
si Mama Don naman for the drinks naman.
Okay.
So we have tropical aid, blueberry shake, tropical shake, and strawberry.
So a while ago meron din tayong pineapple sherbet.
Yes.
Right. Sir Eddie.
Yeah.
Yun nga pala guys, I gotta say, no, yung mga BTS fanatic dyan, they do actually hold their show here every day. Oh, diba? Every day, they are here. So if you want to meet them in projection, punta po kayo dito sa Blue Moon. Okay, so I think our table is ready. So of course, kasama natin si Ma'am Ashley tsaka si Sir Eddie. Again, thank you so much for inviting us. So when you go here guys, kapag nag-book kayo for a private party, just bring your ID. Ayan, you're gonna get a lemon soju for free. You get this for free.
So syempre, una natin titikman since as a meat lover, yung meat platter yung una ko titikman.
Alright, so guys, the entire team is joining us on the table. This is a place you really wanna check.
Yes.
If you wanna chill, dine in. You can actually dine here during lunchtime or dinner.
Actually, even the whole day, pwede kang
Yeah.
kumain dito.
Yeah.
At the same time, pwede ka rin mag-enjoy dun sa kanilang
KTV rooms.
KTV room and yung kanilang sports place. So meron silang billiards, meron silang darts. At the same time, meron din silang beer pong.
I mean, just for you to relax. I think everyone deserves it naman.
Masarap.
Guys, look at this amazing salad. It looks like a crown. So beautiful, no? Parang ayaw mo siyang sirain eh. Anyway, but you gotta do what you gotta do. So we're gonna eat it. I'm gonna take this one. It is so cheesy. Napakalasa niya, guys.
So, lalagay lang natin with syempre yung mga onion. Then, ready to go.
Alright, so there you have it guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you can visit this place as well. Napaka-accessible, promise guys. It's just along Friendship MacArthur Highway. Guys, if you like the food you saw in this video or if you end up enjoying this video, please let us know by giving us a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and we hope to see you in the next video.
So that's it. Thank you for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery. Peace out.
High five!